Have you ever experienced a situation like this?
What if your hand can't reach the light switch like this scenario?
If you want to keep your place safe and convenient, worry no more.
Innovation is here thanks to electronics. Introducing the Light Automation and Security System.
Our product, the Light Automation and Security System, centers on giving you a convenient, easy access, and complete monitoring on the motion status of your home or workplace, keeping track on your facility both indoors and outdoors. An email application installed to your smartphones goes with the product and requires a stable internet connection to gain wireless access and handy monitoring through your smartphones.
The Light Automation and Security System operates in such a way that when the motion sensor detects movement from the vicinity, the light bulb switches on and a notification will be sent on your Gmail.
The product uses wireless communication, an innovation that could totally give the consumer remote access control to the product.
The product has the capability to send a notification to the remote user if motion was detected by the system within his or her facility.
Through wireless connection, you will be guarded of the possible intrusion within the facility. You will now be informed to make the necessary actions for the unnecessary activity within the area.
With another special feature, the product is an embedded light automation which gives you the convenience anytime you enter the facility with no mechanical switch needed. Due to this, energy consumption is also greatly reduced.
Using this product does not require multiple remote switches to operate. The notification you received on your smartphone guarantees the security of your facility. With simple installation of the Gmail app, you already gained the entire features of our product.